How to fix download failed network error in Google Chrome. Here's how to fix download failed network error in Google Chrome. 1. Ensure that Chrome is whitelisted and / or allowed to download items from the web. 2. Check if your antivirus is set to perform the HTTPS scanning or encrypted connection scanning. Disable HTTP/port checking on your antivirus. If so, uncheck such option temporarily. Plan B, temporarily disable your PC's antivirus. 3. Try download your stuff via a new incognito window. 4. Launch the Clear Browsing Data option. 5. Try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide to clear potential geo-block. 6. Try the download in a different browser. 7. Disable or remove installed Chrome extensions. 8. Install the latest network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 9. Check for Chrome updates. 10. Change Chrome default downloads location. 11. Clean up the Google Chrome. 12. Check the Click Enable, Not Secure, option for launching applications and unsaved files, Not Secure, under Custom Level, of IE Settings. 13. Backup your personal data, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Google Chrome. Plan B, backup your personal data, reset Google Chrome.